Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kseniya. I make videos for people who are going through the family immigration process. In today's video, I will give you 15 crucial form filing tips that you will need in order to complete all your USCIS applications correctly. Some of these tips can be found directly on USCIS site, which I will also link in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment below. And if you would like to get form-specific step-by-step completion guides, you can also find them on my channel in the form guides playlist, which I will also link below. So let's get started. Tip number 1. When filling out any USCIS forms, make sure that the expiration date at the top of each page and the edition date at the bottom of each page matches the edition and expiration dates on the form-specific page. If you scroll down on the page dedicated to the specific form you are completing, you will find the edition date tab, which will guide you on what edition date you should be using. Also make sure that the edition dates at the bottom of each page match on every single page of the form. Do not mix and match pages from different edition dates in one form, as it will get rejected. Tip number 2. Make sure that you are including all pages of the application, even if you left them blank. Such is the case for the very last page of each application, which is called the additional information page. Even if you're not planning to include any additional information about your application, you still must include this page with your application. Tip number 3. Make sure that both the edition and the page number is clearly visible at the bottom of each page of your application, as well as the barcode that also will appear when filling out the applications. If for some reason during printing the barcode disappears, USCIS says that they will still accept your applications as long as the edition and the page numbers are clearly visible at the bottom of each page in your application. Tip number 4. If parts of the forms appear to be unfillable, you may fill in the remaining information in a black pen after you print out your application, or by using the Add Text feature in Microsoft Edge browser. Tip number 5. You are not required to capitalize the information in your applications. You may type in your information using a regular font. Tip number 6. If parts of the forms do not apply to you, you may type in N/A to indicate that this portion of the application doesn't apply. USCIS also allows you to leave parts of the form that do not apply to you blank. Both are acceptable. Tip number 7. Make sure that you mention all names that you have ever used on official documents and other applications in the Other Names Used section. Tip number 8. Do not use any correction fluid or highlighting anywhere in the forms. Do not write notes in the margins of your applications. If you make a mistake in your application, do not cross anything out. Instead, print up a new page of the same edition and expiration date and include it with your application. Number 9. When filling out your A number, if your A number has less than 9 digits in it, use zeros in the beginning of your A number to make up the total of 9 digits in the A number line. Number 10. When filling out the address information, you do not have to input anything in the Care of Name section if you reside or are able to receive mail at this location. Only use in Care of Name if someone else resides at this address or if the applicant is a minor. In the case of children applicants, you may use the name of their parents or legal guardians in the Care of Name line. Number 11. If you are a citizen of multiple countries, in the application where it asks for your country of citizenship or nationality, input the country, the passport of which you used to enter the United States. And if you have additional citizenships or nationalities, you may input them on the last page of the form in the additional information section. Make sure to properly reference the page, the part, and the item numbers that refer to the part of the application that you are explaining. Number 12. Applicants who are age 14 and older must sign their applications themselves. A parent or a legal guardian may sign an application on behalf of a child under the age of 14. All signatures must be in a black pen. USCIS only accepts wet signatures and does not accept electronic or digital signatures. 13. If any of the supporting documents or evidence that you are sending to USCIS are not in English, they must be translated to English. You must attach both the copy of the original document and the translation with your filed case. When uploading documents online, it is recommended that the copy of your supporting document and translations are included in the same PDF file. 14. Make sure that all applications and supporting documents are printed single-sided. And the final tip. When printing out your applications or supporting documents, use the 8.5 by 11-inch paper format. If your supporting documents come from another country and do not fit the format, scan your documents to fit in the recommended margins. So I hope that you found these 15 crucial tips useful. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!